In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an image from your browser quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're saving a picture for a project, your desktop background, or simply because you love it, the process is straightforward. Let me guide you step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the journey. First, you'll want to start by locating the image you're interested in downloading. Make sure it's clearly visible on your browser screen. Once you have the image in sight, take your cursor over it. This is referred to as hovering. By hovering over the image, a variety of interactive options might automatically become available to you, but our focus will be on a specific area next. As you hover, you'll notice a small icon or button, typically in the top right corner of the image, composed of 3 vertical dots. This icon represents the More Options menu, an expandable section that offers additional functionalities related to the image. Hover your mouse pointer over this icon until you're ready to act. Now, take a moment to click on that 3-dot menu icon. This action opens a drop-down menu containing several options that extend the capabilities of what you can do with this image. Depending on your browser or platform, the wording of these options might vary slightly, but there always tends to be a clear choice that aligns with our next step. You'll want to look for and select the option labeled Download. Upon selecting this, your browser will begin downloading the image to your local storage. A quick tip here: if the option isn't immediately apparent, try scrolling within the menu to reveal other choices, or making sure it's not hidden behind any other open dialog boxes or screen elements. Once you hit download, the image file typically saves to your default downloads folder. This could be set to your computer's downloads section, your desktop, or another previously specified location. To make sure the image is where you expect it to be, you can check your browser's download section. Often there will be a shortcut available, allowing you to open the file directly from the downloads bar or list within your browser. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded an image from your browser, ready to be used however you see fit. Remember, downloading images from the web should always be done with respect to copyright laws and licensing agreements. If you're using these images for anything other than personal use, ensure you have legal permission. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and I hope it made the process smooth and understandable for you. Keep exploring and downloading responsibly, and feel free to check out other helpful tutorials. Have a great day, and happy downloading.